Hello, good morning children. Hope all are fine. Today we are going to begin with the Maths chapter 1. The name of the chapter is Fraction. What is it? Fractions. So we are going to write here Fractions. Fractions. Now what do you mean by fractions? The whole part. The whole is divided into pieces or in groups, parts. Given one part of it to a person or two parts of it to a person. So the whole is divided into or shared into parts. For example, now this is an apple. Now we are going to share it between two people. Now this is the whole apple. This is the whole part. Now we want to share into two pieces. So now it becomes two pieces. The one whole part is divided into two. So this we write as 1/2. That means the whole part is given or shared or parted into two. So the fraction will be 1/4. Here I am drawing a square and I am going to divide this into four parts. Four parts. So the whole is how many? This is 1. And now what will be the fraction for this? 1/4. 1/4. What is it? 1/4. Okay. Now I am going to draw one. What is this? This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now I am going to, this is the whole thing. This is the whole thing. I am going to divide this into 5. So what will be the fraction for this?
1/5.
Yes. What is the fraction for this? 1/5. That means out of this one portion we have made it into how many parts? How many parts you have made that into? 5 parts. How many parts? 5 parts. So keep your book open. All of you take your book and take page number 45. We can just read through it and you read along with me. Now there are some shapes given here on page number 45. There are some shapes given over here in page number 45. Just take your book and take your pencils and get ready. We'll do it along with the video classes as it's going on. So you listen and then also you do your work. Now you can see a triangle. Can you see a triangle? Yes, you can see a triangle, then a rectangle and a square and a circle and a sphere, circle. In this, which are the ones which is exactly the half which is shown here? Half, which is the one? Can you tell me? In this, which are the ones shown half? Yes, one is a triangle. Tick the triangle. Tick the triangle.
And square.
Yes, and the next one is the square. The blue square. The third picture. That is also just half. Now here is a triangle given there and it is divided into half. Now the next picture is what is it? A square that is also divided into half. Isn't it? Two halves. That is 1/2. This is also 1/2. You got it? Got it correct? Okay. Now let me just draw something here. I'm just drawing a leaf here. I'm only marking here. Is it half?
No.
Is it 1/2? No, it is not 1/2. It is not 1/2. Now I'll show another leaf. And now I'm dividing this. Is this half?
Yes.
Is this 1/2? Yes,
Yes.
this is 1/2. Because it is cut in the middle. It is exactly the half portion. So all of you please look into your book. Did you mark that? Did you mark the triangle? Take a triangle and the square. Those two are half. Those two are? Yeah, okay. Now please look into your book. Fractions. Parts of whole are called fractions. What is called fractions? Parts of whole are called fractions. So for the examination it will come as fill in the blanks. Isn't it? Yes. Parts of a whole are called fractions. Please look into your book and read that along with me. Parts of a whole, not a whole, a. It's not a whole. I always correct you. Don't say a. A whole are called fractions. Fractions. Okay, read now. Parts of a whole are called fractions. So parts of a whole are called fractions. Now, let us learn about the different fractions of a whole. Now we are going to learn the different fractions of a whole. I've already shown so many examples on the board. See now, this is the whole thing which is made it into 5 parts. That is 1 by 5, and this apple, it's a whole apple, made it into 2 parts. So the fraction is 1 by 2. Now this square I have made it into 4 parts. Now the whole is 1. That one part is made it into how many parts? One whole is made it into how many parts? 4 parts. So it is 1 by 4. Now let's look at the rest of it. 1/2 means 1 out of 2 equal parts. See, 1/2. That means this is 1/2. 1/2 and another half. So these 2 halves make 1. These 2 halves make 1. Now here there are 4 parts. That is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This 4 1 by 4 make 1 whole part. 4 1 by 4 make 1 whole part. Now 2 halves. 2 1 by 2 make 1 whole part. 2 halves make 1. Can you follow me what I am saying? 2 halves make 1. When you add 2 halves, how much you get? You get 1, not 2. 2 halves. That means this half and this half, when you put together you get 2. Do you get 2? You get 1. See, these 2 together, when you put, how much you get? Are you getting 2 apples? Are you getting 2 apples? Then how many apples you are getting here? 1 itself. 2 halves make 1. See, now I made it into 2 halves. When that put together, how many you get? You get 1 whole apple. 1 you will get. Okay. 1 by 4. 4 1 by 4 makes 1. 4 1 by 4 makes 1. 2 halves make also 1. Now look into your book once again. 1/2 means, you must understand and learn. Okay? 1/2 means, what is it? 1 out of 2 equal parts. What is the meaning of 1/2? 1/2 means, what is it? Read that. 1/2 means, read that? Yes. Out of 2 equal parts. Out of 2 equal parts. 1/2 means out of that 2 equal parts. Okay. Parts of a whole. Equal parts of a whole. Now 1/2 is written. Now how do you write 1/2? Is written 1 by 2. 1/2 is written how? 1 by 2. How is 1/2 written? 1 by 2. How is 1/2 written? 1 by 2. Now you look here, for example, it is shown here. See, one full lemon is shown here. See this full lemon? When it is cut into half, there are 2 equal halves here. 2 equal parts of half is there of 1 lemon. These are the 2 equal parts. Now, here 1 indicates the number of part being referred. So 1 is the whole thing, which is referred means which is shown here is this is the whole part. 1 is the whole part. When you cut into 2 or when you make it into 2 parts, that is the number which you write it down. That is showing the 2 parts. This is showing one whole thing. You made it into 2 parts. Can you follow what I am saying? Can you follow? One whole thing. One whole thing is, now this apple is one full apple, isn't it? Now when I put a line here, only it became 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So now when you write that as a fraction, you first write one apple, that is made it into 2 parts. This so much, can you understand? Did you follow that so much? You are not saying yes or no. Did you follow so much? If you did not follow, I want to tell you once again. Did you follow?
Yes.
Did you understand well? Did you understand well? Why are you not answering me? Did you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, I show you one cup here. One cup. And it has got coffee in it, full coffee in it. Now we are going to divide it into half. And now I'm giving half cup of tea or coffee to somebody else. So what is the fraction here? How do you write this? How do you write this fraction?
1 by 2.
Yes, 1 by 2. See, when you say by, you will draw one line and 2 parts. Out of one whole thing is divided into 2 parts. Now did you get it? Okay. Next one. Here 1 indicates the number of parts being referred. That is about the whole thing. And 2 indicates the total number of equal parts. Total number of equal parts. Now 2 halves. It's already shown here. Please look here. 2 halves together makes 1. There 2 halves made a whole. 2 parts to make whole. Here also 2 parts, it make a whole. This also 2 parts, it makes a whole. I shall come back with the next video.